Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to get refund or cancel an order that you made or you're no longer interested within that 14 days period that you have, or if you already downloaded or you streamed it, that's too late, you can't cancel. But you still have, if you haven't downloaded or you streamed, then you have the chance to cancel it within 14 days. So let me show you. So first thing what you need to do is go to settings, go to account management, go to account information, and please hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification button so I can make more videos like this to help you guys. Anything that you made it order and you're no longer interested within that 14 days period. First, let's go back to wallet, go to transaction history. Okay, I'm going to put my password. I'll show you any purchase history that I made that you want to cancel, because it's going to require a certain information that you need. You need the transaction number, you need all the stuff that's going to be on here. So let me log in my system. So transaction history, if you remember the date that you purchased anything, so you go on it and then click next, and then it should be on here. As you can see, purchased on the 24th. So when I click on it, once you click on it, it's going to have all the details. As you can see, transaction numbers there, the account details, the date, description, product purchase, the amounts it was, and the transaction type. So this my kids ordered Sonic the Hedgehog, as you can see, and you can cancel that if you don't want it, if you're no longer interested within that 14 days period. I'll show you what I mean. So let me go to your internet browser. I already put the URL, so the website already, the account that you need to go on. I'll show you, I'll put this on the description so you guys can go on it. So as you can see, so from here, so I can just scroll down slowly. Just what do you need help with today? So you go down, what type of help you need today. So if you want a refund, a PlayStation Store refund and cancellation, you click. Or if you need a game related issues, damage, unreadable, voucher code, my device system, software, managing service application, social features, accessories, PSVS, VR issues. So whichever you want, you click on it. Obviously now this video is about refund and cancellation. So let's click on it. Once you click on it, scroll down. It's going to ask you your name, your online IDs, your contact email, sign in ID email. That's for the PS4 that you use. So about your request, the type of contents that you ordered, in case you ordered a game contents, a pre-ordered, a PlayStation Plus, PlayStation Now, TV, videos, contents, whatever you ordered. So you put the whatever it is. If it's a game, the name of the game. If it's a movie, the movie name, the name of the movie, anything. As I said, this is how you find it. If you go back to your settings, what I said to you, this is the information that you're gonna need to fill out that form. So go back down, go to account settings, go to your wallet, go to transaction history. mine was on 24. Then go to purchase history. Once you go on it, as you can see, transaction number, all these details you need. So you need to write it down when you fill out the form, because they're going to ask you on the form. So you need to remember. So once you go back on the form, you need to fill up everything. Once you fill up, let me show you.
Choose your country.
So scroll down. You have all your details. You have the purchase date, transaction number, as you can see, the date, the month, the year. You need to fill in the reason that you want to cancel it. What's the reason? Again, I changed my mind, or bought it by accident. I forgot to cancel my subscription. I tried it, I don't like it. The content isn't working properly. Mine in-game purchase wasn't received. Other reasons, whatever you want, you just select it. And then the purchase date, transaction number. Once you fill up transaction number, any additional information, you put in here. Once you put in here, and then once you fill everything up and you know everything is correct, and make sure your email is correct, and then you click send. Once you click send, the Sony will contact you by email and they will cancel it for you. So if you find this helpful, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the like button and hit the notification button